swimming pool was broken, the cake smashed on the floor, and all of the balloons, they flew away. But if you're feeling blue, there's something you can do. You can save the day with play.
With our favorite monster sitters, we play games where we pretend. And we make up new stories that we never want to end.
Ba-ba-dum-bum, 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 ba-ba-ba-dum-bum. With our favorite monster sitters, we do lots of arts and crafts, making things from this and that, and having lots of laughs.
With our favorite monster sitters, we play board games with